To start, we are going to add 120 grams of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl. Then follow up by adding 5 grams of salt. Table salt or kosher salt both work. To feed the yeast, we are going to add 5 grams of sugar. Give that a good whisk together. Now for the yeast, we are going to add 3 grams of instant yeast. For our first wet ingredient, we are going to add 90 grams of warm water. If you enjoy making bread recipes like this, then now would be a great time to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. After that, we will add 10 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Give that a good mix until a dough forms. Then cover with a dish towel for 15 minutes. We are then going to do a set of folds. Bring the dough from the outside to the center, rotate the bowl and do it a few more times. Let it rest for 15 more minutes. Then repeat 4 times total. Spray a loaf pan with cooking spray, then drizzle in approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Transfer the dough from the bowl to the pan and let it rest for 1 more hour. Press your fingers into the dough to make some indents and let it rise for 30 more minutes. Bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. If you like making bread at home, then make sure to watch this video on how to make ciabatta bread at home. Enjoy!